Hi to everyone, I am Gianluca and today we are going to speak about the different types of gases used as a chemical weapons during the First World War by different armies. Every war brings to the fore a new way of maiming and killing soldiers, while the efficiency of maiming and killing steadily advanced from the 17th to the 20th centuries. It accelerated by an order of magnitude in the First World War with the use of inhaled poison gases. Several chemicals were weaponized in the First World War, and France was the first to use gas in 1914. The agent used was ether ethyl bromide, which is described as smelling pleasant and aromatic, or ethyl bromoactate, described as fruity and pungent. Large doses can cause temporary blindness. If inhaled, they also make breathing disease. The German gas warfare program was headed by Fritz, whose first try for a weapon was chlorine, which debuted in 1915. Chlorine is a diatomic gas, pale green in color, and with a smell which was described as a mix of pineapple and pepper. It can react with water in the lungs to form hydrochloric acid, which can quickly lead to death. The most commonly used gas in the First World War was mustard gas. In the First World War, impure forms were used, which had a mustard color with an odor reminiscent of garlic or horseradish. An irritant and a strong vesicant, it causes chemical burns on contact. Initial exposure is symptomless, and by the time skin irritation begins, it is too late to take preventative measures. Gases often were used in combinations. Most gas was delivered by artillery shells. The agents were in liquid-forming glass bottles inside the warhead, which would break on contact and the liquid would evaporate. Shells were color-coded in a system started by the Germans. Green Cross shells contained the pulmonary agents. White Cross had the tear gases. Blue Cross had the mask breakers like chlorofluorine. Gold Cross had mustard gas. That's the end. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thanks to all and goodbye.